Hey ladies, Jill Stoppel Davis, owner and trainer at Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park, Kansas. So it's almost back to school time, right? And it looks a little bit different this year, I know. Usually we look at back to school time as the marker kind of, to get out of our summer off the workout routine, consistency. Maybe we haven't been eating as well, but sending the kids back to school is always kind of a good time to create some more me time and get back to those healthy habits, right? Well, things don't quite look like that this year, and they're definitely not going back to normal anytime soon. So I'm here to encourage you that now there is no better time than now to kind of get back to you and take some time for me so that you can be a better mom, be less stressed, improve your immunity, your strength, lose that weight that maybe you put on during COVID, and just get your sexy confidence back. I have a new program starting September 21st. And if you've ever heard anything about Excel or know about our programs, they work, and we make sure we hold your hand, keep you accountable, and get you results. We take care of your nutrition and your workouts. We use a smartphone app, so you're getting daily check-ins and tons of coaching with me and the team here. We have a private Facebook group. You're getting all kinds of recipes that your family will eat. We don't have you doing shakes and supplements and chicken and broccoli. This is normal stuff. You get a meal template. Basically, you know exactly what to do, and a daily lesson on nutrition so that we make sure we're helping you change habits that you can sustain. Workouts, don't let them intimidate you. We've got that taken care of. We have for women only really great total body 30-minute workouts that get you stronger, slim you down, increase that heart rate, and burn some fat. I have in-person options in a COVID-safe facility. I also have virtual options. And there's also a way to do a combination of both. If you have kids in school 2 days a week with a little more free time, and 2 other days a week where you're a little busier. So all you really need is 4 days a week, 30 minutes. We take care of everything, and we're going to get you some awesome results in 8 weeks. Check out all the information in wherever you're seeing this, an email, a Facebook post, and reach out. Let's start a conversation and see if this could be a fit for you. I can't wait to meet you and get you back to you.